video might be a little bit different today. Hope you guys enjoy. Might as well go for a little rip on the dirt road in the Miata. Oh geez. Break this thing. This is fun. Not smart, but it's fun. I really shouldn't do this. I'm gonna get a flat tire doing this. What are my tires doing here? Oh yeah. Loving these rocks. We're mobbing. This thing's a beast. This is what stock suspension is good for. People say you need to upgrade, but people on lowered cars, they're not doing this. No way are they. This dude's probably like, what the freak is going on here? Getting squirrely. Oh, brother. Poor car. There's probably going to be some loose things on this bad boy when I'm done with it. This road is not ideal for a Miata. Oh gosh. I didn't realize how steep it was coming up here. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Well, that was fun. Oh, gosh. Better get all the dust off my tires. Now we're ready to rip the canyon. I should probably pull over and make sure everything's all right, because it's not what this car was designed to do. But you only find problems when you look, right? That's why I'll just keep on driving, and I'll never know. I still have oil pressure. Isn't that the only thing that matters? Still building boost. Still gaining speed. Who says Miatas are dumb? This is the best all-around car that there is. And you can enjoy the beautiful weather with the top off. What more can you ask for? off-roading is more fun than driving on roads like this. I'm not gonna lie. That was a lot more fun. Should I build an off-road Miata? Well, the answer is I should, but I won't. Let's be honest. It's not gonna happen. Even though I probably should. And I'd really enjoy it. Because that was a ton of fun. Hopefully I didn't... I mean, my tires are feeling good, but they already have no tread on top of that horrible road. It was like asphalt, gravel, all sorts of bad stuff. It's not ideal. But I'll pull over here in a little bit and we'll check it out. Figure I'll just check on everything. It's like a little oil splatter. You get a new oil cap. But it's still in one piece. And it's not leaking. So it looks good. Off-road Miata right here on the Koenigs. Heck yeah. Alright, so today the video is a little bit different, as you can tell. I wasn't really planning on filming, but I brought my GoPro anyway, and I just started filming. This is always a cool view, so I'll show it to you. Got some people right here. Nice. So yeah, I wasn't necessarily like planning on filming, but I saw a dirt road and I had to take advantage of the dirt road, you know? I'm in the Miata and I was like, I'm gonna go drive down that road, so that's what I did. Made a fun video. I did notice after, I kind of briefly looked at the footage, it looks like my camera's pointed a little bit low, so kind of sucks, but maybe I'll just do it again, you know? Because it was a lot of fun. I guess it's a little bit different content than what you guys are used to. It's always, I'm just always driving on the stupid same roads in the same car. But when you throw a little bit of dirt roads into the action, it's good. Because this car is not meant for that. It's got stock suspension, so it handled it well. People always say to lower these cars and make them handle better, which I don't know. Is that a good idea? Or you can just off-road them because they have all the suspension travel in the world. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I need to figure out, you know, I'll probably do it again, to be honest, and get some like outside footage because it was a lot of fun. I'll probably ruin my car in the process, but it was a lot of fun and it's something different. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next video.